Reports on new history series, The Igbo Cosmos, to be anchored by Nwaada Nkemdirim Sunshine. Date, May 29, 2023. Introduction. We would like to bring your attention to a new program series titled The Igbo Cosmos, hosted by Nwaada Nkemdirim Sunshine. This lecture series is specifically aimed at the Igbo race, Ndi Igbo, and is intended to address the concerns of those who feel that Omenala is not aligned with the will of the Most High Okike, thereby freeing them from any mental and psychological enslavement. Reactions and participation. We encourage Ndi Igbo to actively participate in these lectures by submitting their questions, criticisms, cares, and worries related to each lecture. Each lecture will be available for 3 days before the next one, ensuring ample time to address all the issues raised. Program details. The series will delve into untold truths and hidden mysteries that have been obscured for generations. It aims to debunk the misconception that the Europeans and their missionaries brought the knowledge of the true God, Okike, to the Igbo people. The lectures will emphasize that Igbo already possessed a deep understanding of Okike and were aligned with his laws since the ancient times. Historical context. Before the arrival of the Europeans and their missionaries, the Igbo society lived in harmony with Okike's law, which ensured a society without poverty or theft. However, the introduction of foreign religions disrupted this functional system. Missionaries protected wrongdoers and prevented the society from dealing with them according to their own laws, leading to the deterioration of Igbo society into poverty and criminality. Awakening to the truths. Fortunately, the current awakening within our community recognizes that our ancestors were the custodians of Okike's law in our ancient society. Foreign religions have been the root cause of the deep-seated crises our societies has faced for decades. It is essential to confront the false narrative that the missionaries brought us the knowledge of God, as the Igbo already possessed a profound understanding of Okike before their arrival. The power of culture and traditions. The report emphasizes that the original religion of a people, which lies within their culture and traditions, is the only true path to connect with their creator and maker. Attempts to adopt foreign practices bring obstruction, distraction, and destruction. This knowledge was exploited by the colonial masters to keep us enslaved. Exploring the Igbo Cosmos. The Igbo Cosmos series will shed light on the ancient worship of the central sun known as Chi or Okike by the Igbo people. In philosophical terms, this being is referred to as a being or the ocean of fire. English-speaking cultures will call him God, while the Jews know him as Yahweh. Our ancestors referred to him as Anyanwu. It is important to note that the sun we see today is merely a radiation of the real Anyanwu, not Anyanwu itself, as many have been misled to believe. Conclusion. The Igbo Cosmos is a series dedicated to unveiling the hidden mysteries that have been concealed for ages. We invite you to join us in this journey of discovery. The series begins in 48 hours and will be available on Dotland Media platforms and Divine Sunshine pages. Thank you for your attention, and we hope you enjoy these enlightening revelations. Reported by Nkemdirim.
Mgbe ọ bụ na m nụrụ ọja obi awụlitewe m. Mgbe ọ bụ na ọja hara ihe niile na-eri m mmụọ hapụ n'ụmụ aka Igbo amaka